All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the number 1000 days challenge. This is day 485, so let's get things started. All right, doing a very quick run through itself. Today is a Monday. The market really isn't open for the traditional financial market yet, so I don't have a new candle, daily candle close to update in that perspective. On the other hand, for Bitcoin itself, we've closed on the weekly chart. So that being said, we're still actually looking on the bullish market structure, as you can see very nicely. So even though people are shouting a little bit bearish here and there, we do see there is support coming in the very last few hours for the weekly close itself. Looks to be a very nice bounce. To say that we cannot revisit this low again, in fact, we could actually have a very weak bounce towards the 61K and then even come down to the 61K. And that itself will be somewhat like this ABC market structure on the weekly chart on this wave itself. So that is without a doubt a definite possibility. All right, other than that, if you look in terms of daily chart, sure, we do see some sort of bullish momentum, but do see that there isn't an increase in terms of volume just yet. But of course, consolidating over here is not necessarily a bad thing because we are consolidating right below the key resistance right now at the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart. Right, just ignore that. So yeah, basically we found a support before we break below, and now we are finding it as resistance once, resistance perhaps second time. So if we do see some rejection over here, there will still be a healthy sign, and I'll still be looking to accumulate it in terms of long-term buyers wise. In terms of how high we could go, so professionally, I mean, preferably I do want it to break towards the upside someday, and I do think that it will definitely break towards the upside above the 60 or 70K mark region itself. The question is, it may not happen even for December, or very unlikely for it to happen in November, and very potentially it could happen in December, but not necessarily that it has to be. So yeah, let's see how things goes along the way. Otherwise, in terms of forward chart, still no trade setup because on the daily chart, I still see a potential bullish momentum. But on the forward chart, you can see that we're still forming very nice lower highs and lower low itself. So no shift in terms of momentum just yet. So until this swing high is being overtaken and then support is established over there, then I'll consider potential long setup, especially if it's maintained above this 200 period exponential moving average on the 4-hourly chart. Otherwise, with that said, I've come to the end of today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.